Hi, so I wanted to share with you the finished living room redecoration today. So yeah, I want to show you around the room and show you where things are from and show you my ideas for everything and how it's turned out. If you saw my video before when I was doing the living room redecoration process, I shared with you like what it looked like before in that video. So here's a little look of like what it looked like before. It was like very like yellowy, and we painted it white and also put in this brown colour over here as well. And the shutters have been put in also. So we've got the shutters over here and over there. So yeah, the guys came over and fitted the shutters, which is really good because they make a big difference to the way that the whole room looks. So yeah, I guess I could start off by showing you like the sofa and the living room area. Basically the room is like split into like two different sections. We've got like the dining room over here and then like the living room over here. So yeah, this sofa, well, we had like absolute hell getting this sofa, but it is actually from West Elm, but this is not the one that they're currently selling. They changed it. This one is much nicer fabric, much better quality. It's this really nice kind of distressed grey velvet. Yeah, but the quality of the one that they're currently selling is not as good. They have a few other colours as well, which I'll maybe link to the one that we were going to get if we didn't get this one, which was like salt and pepper fabric. But this is the, well, it was called at the time metal grey velvet. So yeah, and I've got some cushions on here. This one is from West Elm, and this one is Alexander McQueen. This one here was from Graham & Green, but I got it quite a few years ago. I don't think they make it anymore or sell it anymore. I think you can still get it online. Maybe I will try and find it and link it in the description. And then this one was from Marks & Spencer's, I think. So yeah, and then we've got this lamp here, which was from Tom Dixon, which I really love. It's called the Beat lamp or something, in this like brass colour, which is really nice. And this coffee table, which I'm obsessed with. Yeah, this is from West Elm and it's called the Sputnik coffee table. It's like gold. Yeah, I've got these candles on here, which are from Fornasetti. This is a Citra Dawn, Ladurée, and I've got some coasters there as well. And this vase, which is from John Lewis, but it's by Poles Potten, which is a really nice brand. So yeah, and then there's a blanket on the sofa as well. So yeah, I wanted to have this grey sofa. And then we've got the brown walls, and I thought like because the brown has got like a bit of a kind of greyish undertone, it works really well with the brown wall. And we've got this rug. Actually, we changed the rug because I wasn't really happy with the other rug. We had a jute rug here before, and I just thought it was a bit too cold and stark. So we got this rug, which is from West Elm as well. And it's called the Lucent rug, and I just think it makes it's really soft actually, and really cozy, and I think it just kind of cozies up the space a lot as well because it just feels warmer and more inviting and a bit more luxe, which I'm really into, that kind of luxe aesthetic in terms of decor. So yeah, and we've got these gold, we've got a lot of brass accents everywhere. So we've got these like brass pots, which are from West Elm as well. And this, we've got, this one is a real plant here. I think it's called like a ZZ plant or something, I don't know. But this one is like a fake fiddle leaf fig plant. And I looked online everywhere to like search the entire internet to find like the best quality, like best looking, like most real looking fake plants, like or fake fiddle leaf figs. because I really like the look of fiddle leaf figs, but I've had quite a few of them and they always die. So I found this one actually on eBay. I will link it in the description because it is like the best fake fiddle leaf fig that I've ever seen, and it's like a really good size as well. It's not too big. Like I saw some that were like really tall, but this one is just a really great size, and it was really inexpensive as well. Some of them are like hundreds of pounds, but this one I can't remember exactly how much it was, but it was less than £100. I think if you put it next to like a real plant as well, it looks like really real. So yeah, those are the plants. I've also got one of these fake fiddle leaf figs in the bedroom as well, like a smaller one. And I just think they look so good and they're never going to die, which is just amazing. So yeah, and then we've got this, I guess it's like a console kind of thing, like shelf thing this was from Swoon. It's just like black metal unit from Swoon. And then we've got the TV, this vase, and then all of these books down here as well, and magazines. We've got this little crystal over here also. Okay, so yeah, we've got this unit here, which we got from IKEA. I've got some candlesticks on there, which are from Tom Dixon. So yeah, I'm not like totally crazy about how this unit looks, but I think we can probably get something that's a little bit more decorative, maybe with some brass details to kind of tie it in with the rest of the room. Because I think that this wall feels a little bit like empty now, because there's no like, it's not as decorative as all the other bits of the room. But yeah, so this is the dining area, which is nice. We've got this mirror over here, which was from West Elm. It's like a gold brass mirror, a round one. I wanted to get originally like a big convex mirror to go there, but I think actually for this space, because it's not like a really big space, it probably wouldn't have looked right. So I'm quite happy with that one. And then yeah, we've got the bar cart over here in the corner, which is from West Elm also. I'm just saying everything's from West Elm. There's like a candle on there from Anthropology, and some coasters and drink and glasses at the bottom. So yeah, and then this table was actually from IKEA. It's really inexpensive. I think it's like £130. It's like one of those tulip style tables, but it's a really cheap version of it. It's not the greatest quality because it does wobble a bit, but for this place I think it's fine. You know, eventually maybe get like a nicer table in a different house, but we don't really need anything other than this for now. So yeah, we've got this planter on here. Yeah, I love this planter because it's got these like faces on it, and it's like goes the whole way around. I just think that's really cute. This is actually a fake orchid in here, which is from eBay as well. The same seller. I will link it again in the description. It looks super real again, and like another thing that I can't keep is orchids. I just can't keep hardly any plants, but I've never actually tried to keep an orchid, but I know they're really difficult to keep. So yeah, and then we have these these are the wasabi green velvet chairs. I can't remember what the style's called, but they're from West Elm. They've got these brass legs, and I really love this colour. We've kind of used it as a bit of an accent colour all over the flat. Like I've got this cushion over here, which is like the same colour. As you can see, this is like the same colour, so it kind of just brings in the that kind of accent colour. And we've also got like it in a few other places in the flat as well. Like we've got the bedding in the bedroom, which is this colour, and we've got like a lampshade in my wardrobe, which is also this colour. So yeah, and I guess the lighting also. So yeah, this light here is called the mobile chandelier. That's from West Elm, and it's like gold, and I just really like that one. That's really nice. We've got the same one in the bedroom, but it's got like black and gold, but it's the same light basically. And then these this is a Tala light, which is from the Conran shop, I think, and yeah, we just put regular bulbs in it. So you can get the really big Tala bulbs, like glass blown ones, but they're just too big and they would just look crazy in this space, because obviously this is above the coffee table, but we wanted to have something that just kind of like, well, I felt like it would be nice to have a different kind of light than that light, that was different from the coffee table and had like a different kind of dimension to it. Because originally I wanted to have like a Sputnik-y light over here, but it was quite similar to the coffee table, so I felt like it would maybe be like a lot of the same kind of thing, and I didn't want to have a light that was too similar to the coffee table above the coffee table, so we have this one which kind of like hangs down. I think it would look quite nice if it hung a bit lower maybe, because it is quite high, but we don't have incredibly high ceilings, so it's not really possible for it to hang that low down. So yeah, that's basically the entire living room redecoration. Yeah, there are still a few things that we could change, like the unit over here, but I think whenever you're doing like decorating and stuff, it feels like it's just never ending, like it just goes on forever and you're never like completely happy with everything. But it's kind of a process. You get to a stage where you feel like it is done now, and I feel like it is done for now. Like, one of the main things I wanted to change was the rug, and eventually I think we'll probably change that unit. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the living room redecoration in the comments. So yeah, that's all for this video, so I will see you in my next one.